guys, today we're having a look at some of the best courses you can find on Skillshare on illustration. Now some of them will be free, while for others you will need a premium membership. If you want access to the premium videos for 2 months, I invite you to check out my link in the description below. Click on it and create an account using that link. Just remember to cancel your account within those 2 free months if you don't want to be using Skillshare further than that. Now, all of these courses were chosen based on what I have watched in the past, and trust me, I have seen almost all illustration related videos, and you can also access the videos that you have seen in the past in your watch history, and for each one of them you will see how much of the course you have managed to watch until the end using this blue bar. Now the first course I'm going to recommend is the Odd Bodies one from Tom. Now this course is a premium course, and essentially it will be an introduction into how you can illustrate different types of bodies. And even before you get started with the course, I encourage you to check out the projects and resources section for each course actually, because it can show you how other students have submitted their own work. And really, this is a very fun section because you can get to see different kinds of styles, and it also tells you a ton about how engaging the course was, since it got so many people to showcase their own work. Usually the most famous courses are on the first page or have this staff pick badge or the original badge, which means that it was created in partnership with Skillshare, and most of the time these courses have lots of students. So if you click on any of them, go to the projects and resources section, and again you will have a lot of submissions to get inspiration from or to even submit your own. Now the next course is Turn Your Pencil Drawing into a Unique Digital Illustration from Peter. This essentially has you draw your illustration first on paper and then combine all images you have in mind or those that you have written and turn them into a digital illustration. Now for any of these courses, just look for the name on Skillshare or even on Google followed by Skillshare as a keyword to find them. Next is really my favorite course on Skillshare because it teaches you how to illustrate in 6 different styles. So this course, again, is free, so any beginner can try this course, and I do encourage you to actually try all of these 6 styles so you can see which one works best for you so that you might develop this same exact style in the future. And of course, I encourage you to always do the projects and even submit them to the instructor so they can offer feedback on them. Next, if you're into traditional art, there's this course on creating watercolor florals on your iPad. And one nice thing about Skillshare is that often you will get some free resources, maybe brushes or even some ready-made illustrations you can use later for your own artwork, although most of them can only be used as part of the class project, so you will have to ask the instructor for permission if you want to use these resources outside of the class. And Liz in this case is one of my favorite instructors. She has a lot of classes, and for most of them she does offer some of the resources you'll need to do the class project. Then there's Anna from Plush Brush. Again, she has some very interesting courses, and I have taken most of them because I just like the way in which my projects end up after I finish her courses. My favorite one is this one on modern folk art, which shows you different types of ways in which you can stylize your folk art creations. And if you go to the resources section, I have actually submitted mine as well. And you can take a look at all of the other submissions and maybe get some inspiration from here, again, if this is your style of art. If you'd rather stick with something more modern and colorful, I suggest you check out this original course from Olympia Zagnoli. Again, another free course entitled Graphic Illustration, boldly designed with color and shape. And we are just going to take a quick look at the resources section so you can really see what you will be able to do at the end of each course. Then another premium course is the Creating Trendy Abstract Patterns in Illustrator. Again, check out the resources section for some examples of patterns you will be able to create. Another one of my favorite courses is this guide to cartooning, and really it will teach you to draw by hand or digitally different faces and expressions, which is often so hard for beginners to do. Then if you're interested in isometric design, there is this one from Hayden, isometric design for beginners, very straightforward. And if you have patience to sit through this less than half an hour, you will be able to create some pretty interesting designs. And since we're here, I want you to take a look at what some of the projects can tell you. A lot of students will also take you through the whole creation process, so you'll have a look at how other designers create their illustrations. And finally, a premium course to simplified pattern design. Pattern design is so trendy and lots of people want to undertake this illustration. So not only will this course teach you exactly how to get the perfect pattern right, but it will also give you some inspiration you can use for your future design. Of course, you can always go to the illustration section and just search for other courses, either the trending ones, the popular ones, or even look for a specific keyword, such as flower illustration. Now, if you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment, maybe leave a question for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, you have the link in the description below. And I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.